Welcome to this tutorial on how to start using Wix, a popular website creation platform. Wix allows users to create professional-looking websites without needing to know how to code. To get started, go to the Wix website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and other basic information. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the Wix dashboard. Here you can choose from a wide range of templates to get started with your website. Wix offers over 500 templates across various categories, so you are sure to find one that fits your needs. Browse through the templates and select the one that you like the most. After selecting a template, you will be taken to the Wix editor. This is where you can customize your website and add your own content. The editor is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can drag and drop elements such as text, images, and videos onto your website. You can also customize the layout, color scheme, and fonts to match your brand. One of the key features of Wix is its app market. The app market offers a wide range of third-party apps that you can add to your website. These apps can help you to add functionality to your website, such as contact forms, social media feeds, and online stores. To add an app to your website, simply click on the App Market button and browse through the available apps. Once you have customized your website and added all the necessary elements, you can preview it to see how it looks. Wix also offers a mobile-friendly version of your website, so you can be sure that it will look great on all devices. Finally, when you are happy with your website, you can publish it and make it live. Wix offers a range of pricing plans, including a free plan, so you can choose the plan that best fits your needs. With Wix, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few minutes, without needing to know how to code.